But this is the kind of stuff that goes on kind of behind the scenes of my homemaking. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Suzanne, and my husband and I are Canadian organic growers, and we produce local, organic, fresh food for our community. I've got lots of things on the go right now, and first things first, I need to clean my house. My house is an absolute mess. It's a Monday, and so on the weekends, we're busy. We're busy doing family stuff. I visited my parents yesterday. We went to Revelstoke, which I vlogged. And so I need to clean up the house today. As a farm wife, my job is to cook and clean and take care of the home, but I also help with lots of farm-related things. And so today, I'm helping my husband. I've already got our lunch on the go for today, and right now I need to attend to this bug netting. If I can salvage these bug nets from 2017, it's going to save us a ton of money because they cost quite a bit. The ones we have are really old and full of holes, and they're not all salvageable, but I need to wash all of them, roll them all out, and see what I can fix. And it's a huge project. So the boys just finished their lunch, and we have this beautiful butter lettuce to sell on our farm, as well as radishes. But we really need to take care of our branding this year, and that's where I come in terms of creating stickers and thinking about packaging. My husband's always on me to do these things for the farm, and so I'm going to be working on this today. First, I got to clean up from lunch, which was delicious. The boys enjoyed, and we had banana bread. But yeah, this butter lettuce, I brought 3 butter lettuce heads to my mom yesterday because I just know this is going to sell like absolute hotcakes because I made a salad out of this, and it was the best lettuce I've ever tasted. So good. So next up, I've got to empty my microgreen trays, go out and do some packaging. And then my daughter and I are going to do a walk. I'm working on physio right now. So walking's included. We're going to probably go down by the bird sanctuary in town. So all good things. I'm working on helping my husband with packaging and branding our products so that when you see them in the grocery store, it's apparent that it comes from our farm. And I've created these stickers. This is something that after 9 years of farming, we're only just doing now. It takes a long time to really get things together when you're a seasonal farm. Now I'm showing my husband what I've come up with to see if he likes it or not.
That's good enough for me. I mean, it might get all soggy and fall off later on.
Not dirty, but like it's not clean either. Like usually heads you have to wash yourself when you take it home. Like okay, so he likes my lettuce design. It's incredibly hard to get packaging and stuff like that for, if you're not a commercial farm and you're not doing huge orders, it's really hard to get lettuce sleeves and different things. So we're getting creative and making our own out of bags. So my husband likes my design. A lot of walking. So I'm going to print off the stickers and make some so that when they go to harvest that lettuce, they're ready to go. That's my plan.
That is very fast.
Is this your first time using it, Mom?
Isn't that cool?
Let's hope you didn't make a mistake.
It's a lot of stickers. Now it's every day there is something happening on our farm, and I just need to be available to kind of roll with the punches of whatever is happening. So I need to create a bunch of these bags now for my husband, and they're going to be using these for our lettuce harvest tomorrow. At first I tried tying the bags, but my husband found a much quicker option, which is using this machine to close them off. I printed off some stickers, and I am going to be bagging some radish. Now, the reason why I have to do this is because some of our customers don't have spray or mist that comes down on their vegetables. Like, you know, in a grocery store, a lot of them are misted. Well, some stores don't have that, and our product wilts and just looks horrible on the shelf. So we need to do what we can to sort of preserve the moisture. And so that's why I'm going to be bagging and stickering radishes right now. So we're gearing up for our Wednesday delivery, and we're going to be going to Revelstoke for the first time, which is really, really exciting. Having a seasonal farm is so difficult because you go through an extended period where nothing is happening during the winter, and then in the spring you need to get going again. And so we're trying to utilize our winter months to plan, and that's when we bought the sticker machine and I created these stickers in Canva, and then I downloaded the stickers design and put them in the Munbyn app. I'll link the stickers and the machine down below if you're interested. I'm not one of the farm crew and I don't do this regularly, but I need to create sort of a system for the boys to follow when they do this. We're all done for the day now. And I'm having a late coffee because I just feel like I need it after all that. But this is the kind of stuff that goes on kind of behind the scenes of my homemaking, because my channel has been mostly homemaking and I haven't shared a ton about our farm like this before. But it's really exciting this year. This year our farm is making huge progress. What we were really lacking in years past was that branding with those stickers. And, you know, it takes so much time to get a farm running and knowing how to do everything. And there's so much to it. So anyways, our day of work is done and it's time to relax for tomorrow. I actually still have work to do. I need to soak my microgreen seeds because I'll be planting them tomorrow. We live in Salmon Arm, BC, Canada, in the Shuswap, and everything here is lakefront, and it's just beautiful. I am taking a walk for rehabilitating my body and physio. Good morning. Today, everyone is gearing up for our big Wednesday delivery. which means the butter lettuce harvest is happening today, which is really exciting. And I am gonna grab some of those butter lettuce heads for maybe our lunch today. But I also am working on my microgreens right now. And if you watched my little travel vlog, us going to Revelstoke, I showed you this, which is a brochure sort of catalog that we made for our farm this year that kind of shows everything that we are going to have throughout the whole year, including a price list. This has really amped up our sales, and that means I have more work to do downstairs in the basement with the microgreens because people are ordering more. I have different grocery stores now that want them that we weren't selling to. So I need to amp up my production. I'll be working on that today. But aside from that, I also need to take care of the home, do my homemaking, which includes cleaning up. I always do a big morning tidy. And then I had to think about my lunch yesterday. Today it's going to be pierogies with bacon and onion because I'm still doing my pantry challenge right now and I still need to use what we already have in the house. So I've got 2 big bags of pierogies in my freezer and I'm going to use them. So that's my plan for today. And I'm really excited about this butter lettuce harvest. One of my primary roles is caretaker of the home and making sure people get fed. And this role is super important to the running of our farm because when I worked on the farm previously, there was no one to do this work, and it was very difficult and stressful living that way. And I take priority now in making sure that homemaking is a big priority here on the farm. Every day I choose a different task to get ahead, and today it's wiping and cleaning some of these windows because our view outside is beautiful, but currently it's full of smudges and fingerprints and it just ruins the view. So I'm gonna go in and clean these windows, and just wiping the walls, cleaning the windows, cleaning the floors, it just makes everything so much better. Life as a farmer's wife is always busy and not very restful. There's always work to be done. And if I'm not homemaking and cooking, I am helping my husband or working on microgreens. And right now we're doing 2 deliveries a week, and that's going to keep up for the entire summer. So we're going to be on the road a lot. It takes all day. It's very hectic, and I am going to be vlogging all summer long. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I have a squeegee somewhere, but I can't seem to find it, so this was my solution. Keeping the floors clean is a huge task around here with a whole bunch of hardworking boys coming in and out and pets. They do take off their shoes, but it still gets dirty. It was a really challenging time starting our farm. And over the course of time, when we started to get workers, I said to him, why am I even doing this anymore? Because it was almost like he was not seeing everything I was actually doing. And there was, there was tension between us for a while. And, eventually we came to the conclusion that me doing house stuff and homemaking was actually becoming vital to everything going smoothly in our life, because for him, he was dealing with meltdowns and it just made farming that much harder. And once we got to the point where we could hire people, more and more it became important to have home cooked meals and a clean house and all of the running around of kids and high school and so many things like that. And so nowadays, what you saw me do yesterday is not an everyday occurrence around here. I mostly just do our microgreens. My husband has his crew to help with the farm, which is actually 2 of our sons and 1 other worker. And so I really enjoy my time homemaking, and that is my main priority. But I'm still needed in terms of figuring out those stickers, and my husband still needs me for a lot of things. And even just a listening ear, he really needs me for that. So anyways, I'm really happy to get back to my homemaking this morning, because yesterday was a really big sort of farm day and tomorrow's our delivery. So I really need to pick up the house, figure out food, feed my sourdough starter, and that kind of thing. So I'm going to be getting to my microgreens right away, then getting to lunch. I pretty much tend to microgreens every single day, and I have different tasks daily. Sometimes it's only as simple as watering, but today I have to seed a ton of trays to amp up our production, and so I'll be doing this for a little bit. So I just finished working downstairs. I finished my microgreens, seeding them for the week. The boys are working outside. It's 10:30 and I need to get lunch started. Today it's pierogies with bacon and onion. I'm going to bake it in the oven with cheese and serve it with sour cream and a side salad. I'm out picking from the butter lettuce heads that have the most bug damage and we can't sell. And meanwhile, my husband and son are out harvesting and bagging that lettuce. My son Dylan is the farm manager and he does so much on our farm, from seeding to taking down beds and just everything. My van needs to go to my brother's mechanics shop to get summer tires put on for all the traveling we're going to be doing. My husband needs me to go make more of those lettuce sleeves because they're doing the butter lettuce harvest and it's starting to rain and there's lots going on. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.